causing a tectonic shift. Because I'm falling, I'm out of control, and it feels like falling nowhere. The sign ahead says, beware, here comes an avalanche, gaining speed and ice and snow. Beware the avalanche, I don't know how to let go. I don't know how to let go. Don't act like it's simple. Don't say it's nothing at all. Balancing a teetering pitch to the brink until you start to snowball. Just skimming the surface while I dig a little too deep. I see the cracks, I weigh all the facts. I try to pull myself out, but it's steep, and I'm falling. I'm out of control, and it feels like falling nowhere. The sign ahead says, beware, here comes the avalanche. Run for cover and hide, or you'll never survive me. I am an avalanche, you'll never get out alive. I don't know how you'll survive, 'cause I'm the destroyer, I am the huntress, I'm the lonely one, the only one. I am the heartbroken, I am the unspoken. I have nothing inside left to give, I just have an avalanche. Only this avalanche and love, because I'm in love. I'm in love with you. In love. Watch out below.